Hello guys, this is Shraddha over here, and today we are going to learn a very important and wonderful topic of boats and streams, which is very important for competitive exams, and I would say much more important for banking exams. Okay, so before starting this tutorial, I would let you know about a very good book which I always refer to, and the book is named as Fast Track Arithmetic Book. It is by Arihant, okay, by Rajesh Verma. The book is not so costly. It is only $3.95. Okay, so before starting with the actual examples, I will let you know about a very good concept of boat and streams. So the concept is very particular and it is only about 4 boxes. One is at north, another one is as south, the third one is at east, and the fourth one is at west. So why these 4 boxes are? These are due to a river and a boat in that river. So obviously a river would have water and the water would go in this direction with the gravitational force. And so if we have a boat in this river, it would go in the downward direction, and thus this is called as downstream. Okay, but if in case the boat needs to go in the opposite direction of the river which is flowing, so this opposite direction the boat would go in as upstream. Okay, so when a boat goes downwards, it is called downstream, and hence the left part is called as downstream. You can see the left one is at down, so the left box we could say is downstream. And the right part, that is upstream, because the boat is going in the opposite direction of what the river is flowing. So the right part we could say is upstream. Now, why these downstream or upstream are because of these are due to the river, this one, and due to the boat. Okay, so 2 entities are still remaining, and for these 2 entities we have obviously 2 boxes. So here we have boat and here we have river, or we can say it as stream. Okay, so don't get confused with the word stream. Stream is only the flow of a river. River is called as a stream. Okay, don't get confused with the words of stream. It is only a synonym for river. Okay, so this one is boat, this one is river. The left part is downstream and the right part is upstream. So a good trick to remember this 4 things is upstream means, you know, a right-handed people, okay, they can remember this more easily. Right hand, we, you know, go and study with our right hand and we go upwards. I know this is very fuzzy, but it's okay. For remembering, we can do anything. So you can remember by this trick. I have remembered with this trick too. Up is at right, because this is the right part of our body which works a lot and let yourself move upward. So this is up. Obviously the opposite one would be down. Boat is at the top and the river is obviously at the bottom. So in this way these 4 boxes are to be remembered. Okay. Now one more thing I would need to let you know is, so if here is boat, here is river, this one is upstream and this one is downstream. Okay, so now if we need to calculate boat speed, then how will you calculate? If we calculate river speed, then how will you calculate? What about downstream speed and upstream speed? Okay, so this can't be explained that precisely. What precisely the examples could explain you. So let's start with the examples, and the first one we could read over here right now is, when the speed of the boat in still water is 4 km per hour. But they are saying the speed of a boat. So where a boat resides, I have shown you where a boat resides. Boat always resides at the top and bottom is river. So what they are saying, speed of the boat. So boat is 4 and the rate of stream is 2. Stream means river. I have already seen you. So if this is boat, obviously this is river. And what is its speed? Its speed is 2. So here will be 2. And they have asked, find upstream speed of the boat. Now don't get confused by the sentence upstream speed of the boat. Obviously the upstream and downstream are the speed of the boat, and hence they have given you the same. Okay, so upstream speed of the boat means u, this one, right part we have to find it. Okay, so how will you find this? Very simple. When you have given with the boat and given with the river, and you have to find, suppose, downstream and upstream. So you have a very simple trick, and that is boat plus river is upstream. So what is boat plus river? 4 plus 2? 6. And upstream is boat minus river. So what would be boat minus river? 4 minus 2 is 2. So this is our answer, which is upstream speed of the boat. Look, the option number C is your option answer. Okay, the first example would get you very lazy your head, but the second and third examples will clear you everything. Now let's start with the second example. Okay, if the speed of the swimmer in still water is 9 km per hour. Now, who is the swimmer? Swimmer will obviously be referred to as a boat. A river having a boat or a river having a swimmer is as same, because boat is going upstream and downstream, as what a swimmer would go also downstream and upstream, right? So here swimmer is referred to as boat. So here would be boat, or we can say swimmer speed. Okay, here we have river speed, here we have upstream speed, and here we have downstream speed. See, I will write for you. Okay, so what they have given, the speed of a swimmer is 9. So here we'll have 9. Find the downstream speed of the swimmer. So you have to find this. When the river is flowing with the speed of 6 km. So river is flowing at the speed of 6 km. What I had said, the downstream speed is boat plus river. Don't learn formulas. Learn the directions. See, if you have to find the left part, you have to add this one and this one. And if you want to find the left part, that is what we have found in the first example, upstream, you have to minus boat and river. So 9 plus 6 is 15. And this is your answer, 15. Okay. Let's start with the third example over here. Ravi can row downstream at 9 km. See, this is boat, this is river, this is downstream, this is upstream. So what you have given with the downstreams at 9 km. So downstream is given at 9. Okay. And upstream is given as 5. Okay. Find speed of Ravi in still water. Ravi means obviously the boat, or Ravi would be any swimmer, or Ravi could be the swimmer of the boat. He would be sitting in the boat, and then going upstream and downstream. So don't get confused with the names. If a name like person, man, Ravi, or Shantanu, or any girl is given, that means it is given as the speed of the boat. And stream and river are speed of the river. Okay. So Ravi in still water. So what we have to find is speed of Ravi, that is speed of boat. We have to find this one. And speed of current. Current means also river. See guys, river, stream and current. These are speed of rivers. Okay. Okay. So always have a note of this. See. Now you have to find the upper part and the bottom part. So how could this be done? When you have to find upper part, you will add d plus u and divide it by 2. So d plus u is, see like d plus u is how much? 9 plus 5, 40, and divide by 2. So it goes 7. So boat is 7 km per hour speed. And when you have to find the river speed, at that time d minus u, that is 9 minus 5 is 4, divided by 2 is 2. So the speed of river is 2 km per hour. Correct? And this is it. So finally I'll let you know, after explaining the examples obviously. So when you have, it is B, when it is over here R, when it is here U, and when it is here D. Boat speed, river speed, upstream speed, downstream speed. So when you have to find boat speed, you have to add D plus U divided by 2. When you have to find river speed, you have to deduct D minus U divided by 2. When you have to find it upper stream speed, I'll let you know in the second one. See, B, R, U, D. When you have to find upper stream, you have to B minus R, that is boat minus river. And when you have to find downstream, then boat plus R is downstream. So I'll show you this very properly now. See, you could see that when boat stream is to be found, downstream plus upstream divided by 2. When river speed is to be found, downstream minus upstream divided by 2. In the same way, when upstream speed is to be found, boat minus river. And when downstream speed is to be found, boat plus river. This is very simple. So instead of taking more examples, I think I could stop over here. You could revise this at least 2 times so that I'm surely making video for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, which is very important, 9, 10. So these 6 examples I would take in the next video. But for that you have to do this video or see this video at least 2 times so that the concept could get used to. Okay? Thank you for watching.